Hey, it's my birthday. So I'm gonna open the one present that I got sent. I think there's another one from my parents or my mom or my family or something on the way, but this is the first one. It's a rain jacket. I was about to get one of these actually. Fun fact, let's try it on. Heck yeah. It freaking fits and it's cute. Okay, I have to go get ready. I mean, put on an outfit. Goodbye. I'm back from class. I do have homework that I have to do. Oh, hi Scooter. But my friends, I had a friend buy me lunch. I had a friend buy me a giant box of crumble cookies. I have like presents. Wow. But yeah, I've gotten so many things today. Plus, just got a package in the mail. I'm like feeling so special. I'm going to open this package. It's from my grandma. Oh, it's multiple things. Oh, it's a necklace. Card. Oh my gosh. Gift cards, bro. Oh my gosh, more. Oh, this is actually great to have. My grandma owns like she runs a company that makes kind of like icy hot stuff. So this is great to have. Oh, thank you, Grandma. Okay guys, we got the package from my mom. It looks so cute. I'm so excited to open it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm taking a picture of this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. There's so many things. Baby, this is the best birthday I think I've ever had. I'm texting my mom. Okay, now we have one more thing to open. It was a gift to myself. Pretty dang good birthday. Okay, it's a week later from what you just saw, and Hurricane Helene, Helena, whatever you want to call her, she's hitting. So I'm going to Georgia. Yay! Me and my friends taking a little weekend trip to Georgia. We'll see how this goes. We're gonna be gone from Wednesday, which is tomorrow, until Sunday. So what's happening in the... Oh god. There was your hurricane warning. Yes. I don't like this. It's like really stressful, but hopefully this will be the only one of the season, right? Right? Okay, so we just got to Cole's house. Look, you guys say hi.
Hey, hi. Can I get hair and makeup, please? Can I get hair and makeup check? Thanks.
What are we doing here?
So, hi all. My name is Cole Hall. We're here because we escaped a Category 5 hurricane. Let's go us.
Misinformation.
Check USA Today.
It is a Category 3. You're fit. Okay, thanks guys. Nice talking with you. Bye. Cole's parents are being so nice. They made us food.
Hey there, Delilah.
Shout out.
What's it like in New York City? I'm down.
Shout out Cole's parents. I'm going inside to eat because there's spiders everywhere. Okay, good morning vlog. We're leaving from Atlanta-ish. We're kind of in Atlanta. We're going more west to escape the hurricane, because apparently it's gonna be like a Category 4 hitting Tallahassee, which means this might be hit with a Category 1. So we're gonna go to Allie's grandparents' house. We're freaking evacuating, bro. We gotta get out. I've never had any experience with this. Yeah, I guess we're packing up. Bye. Well, as we're leaving, I go to put my Birks on. Turns out the cat peed in it. Hey, the cat peed in my shoe as we're trying to leave. Wow, this gets better, doesn't it? Okay, we're at Maple Street Biscuit Company. I love this place. They have it in Cali. Yesterday was nice, but then we woke up and decided to go. We're headed to Alabama. We just stopped in Tennessee for lunch break. I look really scary. I'm so sorry. Okay, we got our food. We are at the beer garden. We're eating our stuff under a spaceship. We made it out the storm. Tallahassee made it. We made it! We literally made it! This is like the climax. No, this is the falling action. The rest of the video. We, last night the storm hit, but it was supposed to hit Tallahassee really hard. It didn't hit as hard as they thought. Also, that means that we're going back to school in a couple days. We're going back on Monday, which means we're driving back tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday, so that we can have Sunday to rest, which I'm so happy about. Sunday rest day. Today we went for a walk, did some homework. Now we have pizzas in the making. It's literally 60 degrees here, so it feels like winter. We have the fire fire turned on. For 60 degrees. I'm tired. We left Alabama. We're still in Alabama. We left Allie's grandparents' house and we're on our way back to Tallahassee.
So much fun.
So much fun. 6.5, almost 7-hour car ride. Probably longer. And all of the seats are full. So we're like squinched in the back, bro. But we're at a stop right now. My back already hurts. It's been like, what, an hour? An hour.